Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sandeep and in today's video I will explain how you can allow a contributor role to update a Power BI app. By default, only users with admin level access in a workspace can update a Power BI app. However, if the admin grants permission, a contributor can also update the app. This is also an important question from an interview point of view. So make sure to watch till the end. Now let's start with the practical demonstration. Here you can see I am logged in into the Power BI service and I have admin level access to the Power BI demo workspace. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, I highly recommend watching video number 24 and 25. I will provide those videos link in this video description. In those videos, I explained what Power BI apps are, who can create, publish, unpublish and manage apps in detail. Before moving forward, I want to show you some Microsoft documentation regarding Power BI workspace roles and capabilities. Here you can see that different types of workspace roles: admin, member, contributor and viewer. Admin can perform all tasks like update and delete the workspace, add or remove any users in a workspace role, allow contributors to update the app for the workspace, add members or others with lower permissions, publish, unpublish and change permissions for an app, update an app and many more. And if you notice here, for the contributor, there is a point mentioned: contributor update an app if allowed. This means contributor can update an app only if the admin enables this option. So you can see here for the admin, and just notice this point: allow contributor to update the app for the workspace. Means only admin can enable this for the contributor. First, we will create an app for this workspace. Remember here, I have admin level of workspace access rules for this workspace. So that's the reason I can see here create app option. Now click on create app and here you can see it is suggesting PBI demo app name. So from here you can assign any app name for your app. And why? By default it is suggesting PBI demo because PBI demo is my workspace name. So here you can provide any app name. I am fine with PBI demo name. And here you can provide the small description about the app. And after that you can upload any logo for your app and click on next, add content. Here we will add the content for the app. So click on add content. And from here you can select reports and dashboards which you want to add in the app. So let's suppose I want to add dynamic RLS report. So just select the report and click on add. And after that click on audience. And in the audience section you can add the users and groups who can access this app. So you can search the users and group by their name. So for example, I want to provide the access rights to the Dinesh for this app. And after that click on publish app. One more time click on publish. And here you can see the app URL. So click on go to app. And here you can see that this is our app. And in the app we only select the dynamic RLS report. Now click on go back and open the PBI demo workspace. And now here you can see the update app option. So here you can see that I have admin level of access rights. So that's the reason I can perform any task like publish, unpublish, create and update an app. Now let's check the same for the contributor account. Here you can see I am logged in with David's account And since he is a contributor, there is no update app option available for him currently. Let me refresh the page once, and still you can see here there is no update app option. Now switching back to the admin account, and as per the Microsoft documentation, if the admin allows it, contributor can update the app. Now we will enable the update an option for the contributor. So go back to the Power BI service and click on Workspace. Select the PBI demo workspace and click on three dot and click on Workspace settings. After that, scroll down and expand the Power BI section and click on Journal, and here you can see the option Secure Update. Allow contributors to update the app for this workspace. So just select this option, allow contributor to update the app, and click on close button. And now go back to the contributor account and just refresh the page. And now here you can see the update app option is enabled for the contributor access roles. And now contributor can update the app. So click on update app, and from here he can perform the modifications, like he can change the app name, description like PBI demo app like this, and also he can add the content in the app. So click on add content, select the report and click on add, and go to the audience tab, and from here just enable the report for the audience. But from here he cannot add or remove the users from the app, and after that click on update app. So now you can see here app has been published through the contributor roles. And if you remember, we changed the app name PBI demo app, and now you can see here. So I hope you understand how you can allow the contributor to update an app. That's all for this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.